How to flush a water heater. Step 1. Locate the breaker/fuse box for an electrical heater or the thermostat for a gas heater. Step 2. Disable the circuit or fuse that powers the electrical water heater, or turn the thermostat to pilot on a gas heater. Step 3. Turn off your cold water supply by rotating the water shutoff valve clockwise. Step 4. Attach a garden hose to the drain cock or valve located at the bottom of the heater. Step 5. Extend the garden hose to a place where the water from the heater can safely discharge. Step 6. Open the drain cock to allow the water to exit the heater. Step 7. Close the drain cock and remove the garden hose. Step 8. Turn the water supply back on and let the tank fill. Step 9. Close the water heater drain. Step 10. Turn the water supply back on and wait until the hot water line begins running continuously. Step 11. Turn off the tub spigot.